So hello and welcome friends. Today we will study about advantages of DBMS approaches. Our subject name is Database Management System. Our course name is MCA. We are currently in second semester and our university name is RGPV. So just to discuss about this channel and this specific playlist, why I am creating the video, because market has also already filled with many type of DBMS videos, but I am here actually cover only those topics which are included in your syllabus, not any other topic which is relevant to syllabus. So what's the purpose of this channel? We will study only those topics which can be occurred in our exam. So let's start with our first topic, advantages of DBMS approaches. Yeah, so this is our pre-created notes. Yeah, this is GPT created, you also know, but you can directly study with GPT. I'm just creating video for, yeah, just for cover syllabus as fast as we can, because we know for university exams how much in depth we need to study. So the DBMS approach has several important advantages. So what we will discuss in this video, the advantages, and I have a methodology. We don't need to uh, learn everything in depth. We just understand the heading, and after that creating the inside content of heading by our own mind. That's the actual method. Uh, if we learn this method, then we can easily crack any type of university exam. So first is reduced data redundancy. So redundancy means होता है repeatance. It means how much time the same data occur many times. We can say like this, redundancy. So here we can see that here is a single system and here is a second other system. Possibly an example, we can take an example. In this database, possibly the PUBG stored, but again in this database we again store the PUBG. So this is redundant. The PUBG is available here also, here also. Okay. Then after that, reduce the data redundancy. It means the database management system helps us to reduce the data redundancy. It means the database management system helps us to make the data unique as much as the data can help us to be unique. Okay, so second one is improved data consistency. So the just opposite thing, this thing is written but in other language, because consistency means hota hai, consistency means not duplicated. So here this is told the data duplicacy reduce, the DBMS reduce the data duplicacy, and here this told the DBMS improve the non-duplicacy. The both things are same. Okay. So third one is data sharing. What's the data sharing? You are already know what is about the sharing. So multiple user can access the same database simultaneously. Simultaneously, it means at the same time. At the same time, maybe 5, maybe 50, maybe 500 people can easily check the same data. Okay. Data sharing we understood. Data security. By the way, if you are stored data in a HTML file, so anyone can extract its code easily. Suppose that extract the data easily, and if you are stored the data in SQL, so this cannot be retrieved very easily. It means the SQL is very secure and encrypted by many type of encryption. So this is helps us to maintain the data security. So these are very general points. It means not in just DBMS, in any types of technology and in any types of thing you can easily mention the data security, data integrity. Integrity, it means this is a very, first is the honest, second is the moral, with moral principle and trueness, its trueness. So what's its mean? The data is actually as it is, what we inserted previously. The data cannot be changed automatically in the DBMS. Just this thing, the line want to say. Sixth one is backup and recovery. Suppose you are writing you are writing 80 pages of your notes in 3 months, and your laptop was just crashed by any reason, and now you cannot recover the data because the shopkeeper says we need to reset the laptop. So this is a situation where we need the backup and recovery, and the database management systems provide us the backup and recovery, because you have just 3 months effort and the company have 5 year or maybe 10 year efforts, so they actually need the backup and recovery. Seventh one is data independence. So what's the mean independence? There's every person want to be independent. It means no any type of restrictions, no any types of out boundaries for this, for person. So here it means suppose you have a website and you want to just change its UI. So now if you store the data in database management system, then you never affect when you change your website UI, then your data never affected by your website changes. If you, so what it's mean, like we are very familiar with the database management system possibly, hence we are not seeing it's a very critical issue. But in previous websites, what actual the issue is, people write the data hard coded, people write the HTML pages hard coded. It means all the data related to the file is written in that actual HTML file, and now if you want to change the UI, that can be affect the data. That's the issue. So just here you mentioned the data independence. The eighth one is efficient data access. So efficient, it means the data recovery rate, the data fetch rate. Fetch, it means when you open any type of website, just that one is website. Now we are opening this, so it takes a bit second. So this fetch rate is a little bit longer, we can say. But in SQL, the efficient data access is possible. It means it's very fast. And how much fast we can? Okay, so suppose maybe 1 lakh queries in a second, like this the SQL is working, or maybe more faster than this, what I told. So concurrency control. Concurrency control, concurrency, it means we can take an example like this. You and your brother both want to play the PUBG at the same time, but in your house only one mobile available. So there is a situation of concurrency. So what now you both do, one will be wait and other will be play. So this is, but before the situation, what actually is the situation, you both want to play PUBG and the mobile is single, so there is a concurrency situation. That's it. So how the data manage the concurrency control? So this is not a physical thing, this is a soft copy, so we can easily distribute it. So hence the database management system allows multiple users to access the data without conflict. As we can see this diagram, the simultaneously example. So the both, it means the simultaneously access and the concurrency reduce and concurrency control, the both are the same things. Both are same things. At 10th one is better data management. So centralized data control makes it easier to maintain and manage large data set. It means better data management many times. What about the companies? Companies have very big data. It means suppose 1 lakh lines and maybe 2 lakh rows or maybe 10 lakh rows. So if they have not the centralized control, so they cannot manage the data, and this can be cost very widely to companies. But due to database management system, this is very the companies can very accurately manage their data. So basically the data management is the core purpose of DBMS creation. Okay, so we accomplish our first one topic, and believe me, beside these 10 topics, possibly not any other things will be asked by you in the DBMS. So our this one topic is accomplished. So wait for the second one video, or maybe the video published already. So just go to the playlist and check the video. Have a nice day.